Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, sharing with you today this fabulous looking Volkswagen Golf 5-door hatchback, available here in the 7.5 mark as well as R-Line model. The exterior is painted in a lovely looking deep black pearlescent paint that is guaranteed to turn heads and comes packed full of clever features such as the likes of automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights as well as a redesigned R-Line body kit throughout. Around the side, upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels can be found throughout the car, whilst in the rear, full LED tail lights will give your Golf a distinctive look when travelling at night. Boot space is practical just as ever, with loads of space for at least 2 to 3 medium-sized suitcases, with a variable boot floor as well as 60/40 folding split seats. Park cloth and suede upholstery will offer seating for 3, as well as 2 Isofix chat anchor points with center cup holders, whilst in the front, decorative door and dash inserts can be found with ambient lighting. Front sport seats with an R-Line logo will also offer loads of comfort for those motorway trips, and the driver will certainly appreciate this redesigned sports leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Trip computer up ahead will benefit from a digital speedo to complement the analog dials, and there is also adaptive cruise control and city emergency braking on offer. Finally, sat-nav, music and Bluetooth can easily be displayed and operate on that trip computer, whilst in the center, 8-inch Discover nav system will come packed full of clever features such as DAB radio, with additional media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone is incredibly easy, and the built-in sat-nav will offer 2D and 3D mapping and will ensure you never ever get lost. However, if you prefer your own smartphone, you can make full use of both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with various car settings allowing you to personalize this Golf R-Line to make it your own. Driving modes will prioritize sportier or efficiency, whilst helping you park up a pair of front and rear parking sensors. Easy to use aircon will keep you warm during the winter months, with loads of cargo storage that can be found throughout the cabin.